Hello, thank you for visiting the Wilds of Cooking channel. If you don't have any plans for breakfast or dinner yet, here are some 10 minutes recipe ideas. Eight slices of bread. Melt 2 tablespoons of butter and spread it on the bread. This is one of my favorite sandwich recipes because these sandwiches are a great option for breakfast, snack or dinner. My family and I like to eat them with tea. 8 slices of cheese. I created this channel to share very simple delicious recipes, and I will be very happy if you subscribe to my channel and press the bell. 8 slices of ham. Two eggs. 80 milliliters of milk. If you are not subscribed to my channel, press the bell. You will receive a new video notification. Season with salt and pepper. Dip each sandwich in the egg mixture on both sides. And put it on a baking sheet. A little cheese. Bake for 20 minutes. For me, this is the best breakfast. The next recipe begins. 3 eggs. 2 tablespoons of milk. Pause the video and write your favorite breakfast dish in the comments. I will put my heart on the first 30 comments. Season with salt and pepper. A little olive oil. Pour half of the egg mixture. 1 toast bread. A little ketchup. If you want to support me, please share this video with your friends. 1 slice of cheese. 2 slices of sausage. Three slices of bacon. Pour the remaining egg mixture. 1 more toast bread. I like this recipe because it can be made with the ingredients that are always in the fridge.